Everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make your kid underwear so they can wear. I'm using this fabric because it's thin and it's easy for them to wear with anything, but you can change into white if you like to, or any colors. Okay, so the fabric I have cut in here that 15 inches long wide by a 22 inches long, and this is for between 1 years old or so. When folding the fabric in half and make sure everything is lined up, I follow the stripe onto iron just to make sure everything is stay evenly for me. The right side facing in, wrong side facing out, and now I'm gonna fold it again. I'm gonna make sure that everything here also line up for me, and I'm going to iron this. Here I have the two fold on the left and then the big fold in front of me, and I'm going to go from the bottom up 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, and up on the top here I am going to mark 4.5 inches, and I'm going to connect this line. Cut this. And now I'm gonna open this, and I'm going to fade the right side also still facing in, wrong side facing out, but I'm going to fold in this way. From the side here, I'm going to mark right in the center 1/2 inch, and then from this pointy I'm gonna go and curve in this side for 1/2 inch, just like so. This is the back side. I'm gonna write a back side with the B, and this is the front side with an F. The pointy coming out, and then you eyeball to meet this pointy up here, so I'm gonna move the ruler a bit so it's like a 4.5 inches right here. That's the 4.5, and then I'm connect this pointy up here to this side. Like that, the triangle. Mark the side here. I do 2 inches, and then I do 2 inches here, and now I'm going to round this, curve this area. And I'm going to cut this out. So this is the front side. We have the front side, what is this, and this is the back side. So facing the wrong side facing up, I'm going to go around on the side, and I'm going to iron in 1/4 inch just like so. Now fold one more time. You can either fold out another 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. It depends on the size of your elastic. After I fold it twice, I'm gonna go from the inside here, and I'm going to sew very close to here so I can have a pocket Here's to put the elastic on. So you sew this side and then the other side exactly the same way I'm showing you here. So everyone, after I sew in here, so the pocket here is 1/4 of an inch. You can go 1/2 an inch if you like. We're gonna, so everyone, after I sew around here, you can go more than 1/4 of an inch twice if you want to, but I don't need to. So I have cut in here this elastic. I bought a lot when we make face mat, and I still have it there. You can get something thin like this, so like less than 1/8 of an inch from the store if you don't have this. And I cut this 10 inches. You don't want it too thick because it's gonna hurt their leg. Okay, so I'm gonna go one side to the other, and I have cut 10 inches. And again, it depends on the size of your kid, your grandkid. You can go from there. So I'm gonna go from one side here and go around to this side. I just want to let you know, everyone, if you haven't visited my second channel, please do so to support me, and by watching the relaxing and calming music. I need watch time hours, everyone. If every one of you watch one or two video from there, or even plays the music on the playlist, just when you're driving, when you're sleeping, that helped me the whole bunch too. And also, if you have grandkid or young kid, make sure you check on my son's channel too. You check his channel first and let me know how's he doing. I just need the feedback from grow up. So everyone, after I have the elastic on the two side of the tie here, I'm going to go to the right side, and I'm going to, you see the side here, I'm going to clip this down. I'm gonna sew 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Everything gonna meet in place for you if you do it right. If you cut in the way I cut, make sure you press and iron. It take a little time, but everything will be meet up for you evenly, so that it's one side. Remember, we on the right side. This is simple. Everyone can do this, okay? So go and sew on the right side. It's 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and then on this side, 1/4 of an inch seam allowance on this side. Going to the wrong side here, and I'm going to sew this. Press on the side and everything, and so you're going to fold it in, and I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch after I press on this side. That, and then on this side, same thing. Press it down, 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. You're gonna sew this. like this. And then after you're done, you're gonna press on the side. You can see now the front side is nice and clean. Look at this, so cute. This is more step than the other people show you, but it's worth it. Now after that, I'm gonna go back and flap this on the side like this, and I'm going to sew this down. Now after I sew it on the side, and this is the leg to go in, it's so cute. Anyway, and then on the waist, we're going to fold it in an inch. Now from that 1 inch, you're going to fold in half, so that half an inch, and you're going to iron the whole thing back like that. This is for the elastic, everyone. So, and I use that the elastic is close to half an inch, not even half an inch, and I will show you. Now I mark about 2 inches open. You're gonna do exactly the same way I show you on the leg. You're going to sew around, and it leave it here about 1.5 inches open all around. And when you're finished, you're gonna cut the elastic. The way I cut the elastic to make sure everything it fit perfectly, I'm gonna go from one side here like this. I'm gonna go around the back, just for symbol, go all the way to the back, side to side, left side to the right side, and then I go halfway here, and that tell me it's good enough. But every kit are different, some are big, some are small, so like that. Okay, and then you're going to sew it around, put elastic on, sew the end, and then sew the opening, and you're done. At the end, you're gonna sew it together, and then after that, you're gonna spread it out and then sew the opening space back. That's it, everyone. I finished. Look how adorable this is. So comfortable. For this is estimate, I say about 1 year old. Okay, that's basically it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just want to say thank you to all that support my channel, this main channel and the second channel and my son's channel. Thank you, everyone. Make sure you check all the video that I have. I make video any other day, so if you miss any video, go back to my channel page and look for the newest video. Love you. Thank you for your donation, your time, your subscribe, and your comment. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.